Hello everyone, this is a part 2, 500 most important MCQs series number 2. Question number 21. Which of the following is an autobiographical work by James Joyce? Dubliners, A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man, Exiles, Ulysses. Correct answer option number B, A Portrait of Artist as a Young Man. It is the first novel of Irish writer James Joyce. A Portrait of Artist as a Young Man began life in 1904 as Stephen Hero, a projected 63 chapters autobiographical novel in a realistic style. Next question. In how many books Joyce in Ulysses divided? 5, 3, 6, 2. So here correct answer option number B, total 3 books. Ulysses is divided into 3 books. Question number 23. How many chapters are in Ulysses? 18, 15, 10, 5. Correct answer option number A, 18 chapters. Ulysses is ostensibly a modern reworking of the Odyssey. Its 18 chapters were each named after an episode of Homer's epic. Next question number 24. Mrs. Moore is a character taken from E.M. Forster's A Room with a View, Howard's End, A Passage to India, Where Angels Fear to Tread. Correct answer option number C, A Passage to India. Published in 1924. E.M. Forster set against the backdrop of the British Raj and the Indian independence movement in the 1920s. As a character, Mrs. Moore serves a double function in A Passage to India. Next question. Howard End is the name of a dash in Forster's novel with the same name. House, river, train, character. Correct answer option number A. It is a name of house. Published in 1910. Howard End, it is a novel by A.M. Forster and about the social conventions, code of conduct and relationship in turn of the century England. Next question. What is the novel Howard End about? Story of post-war circumstances, story of murder conspiracy, story of end of the world, story of 3 families. Correct answer option number D, story of 3 families. Howard End revolve around 3 families in England at the beginning of 20th century. Next question. In which of the following works of D.H. Lawrence Ursula Bragwin appears in? The Rainbow, Women in Love, The Lost Girl, Aaron's Road. Correct answer option number B, The Women in Love. Published in 1920. Women in Love is a novel by D.H. Lawrence. The older Bragwin sister, Ursula, is a school teacher. She falls in love with Rupert Birkin. Next question. Lawrence Women in Love is a sequel to The White Peacock, The Trespasser, Sons and Lovers, The Rainbow. Correct answer option number D, The Rainbow. Women in Love is a sequel to his earlier novel The Rainbow, 1915, and follows the continuing lovers and lives of the Bragwin sisters, Gudrun and Ursula Gudrun Bragwin. Next question number 29. Which one of the following novels is a prequel to Lady Chatterley's Lover? John Thomas and Lady Jane, Kangaroo, The Plumed Serpent, The Boy in the Bush. Correct answer option number A, John Thomas and Lady Jane. It is a novel written by D.H. Lawrence, published in 1927. The novel is an alternative version of the story that was told in the once controversial novel Lady Chatterley's Lover, published in 1928. Next question. Why is Lady Chatterley's Lover banned? Obscenity, violence, publication dispute, copyright dispute. Correct answer option number A, obscenity. Lady Chatterley's Lover was banned for obscenity. The book was banned for obscenity in the United States, in Canada, Australia, India, and Japan. Next question. Who wrote The Quintessence of Ibsenism? G.B. Shaw, W. Yeats, P.B. Shelley, T.S. Eliot. Correct answer option number A, G.B. Shaw. It is an essay written in 1891 by George Bernard Shaw. Next question. When did G.B. Shaw won the Nobel Prize? 1928, 1922, 1925, 1920. Correct answer option number C, 1925. Won the Nobel Prize in the literature. Next question. Which of the following plays of G.B. Shaw deals with education? Man and Superman, John Bull's Other Island, Major Barbara, The Doctor's Dilemma. Correct answer option number C, Major Barbara. Major Barbara is a 3-act English play by G.B. Shaw and written in 1905, first published in 1907. Next question. Who is the antagonist in Major Barbara by G.B. Shaw? Adolphus Cuisance, Stephen Undershaft, Barbara Undershaft, Andrew Undershaft. Correct answer Andrew Undershaft, option number D. Next question. What is Salvation Army in Major Barbara? German Army Unit, Christian Missionary Organization, England Army Unit, Employees Organization. Correct answer option number B, Christian Missionary Organization. The Salvation Army is a Christian missionary organization founded in London in 1878 by William Booth. Next question. What is the first play by Harold Pinter? The Birthday Party, The Room, The Dumb Waiter, A Slight Age. Correct answer option number B, The Room. The Room in Harold Pinter's first play, written and first produced in 1957. Second play, The Birthday Party. Question. Teddy is a professor of dash in Pinter's Homecoming. Philosophy, Geology, Biology, English. Correct answer option number A, Philosophy. Teddy was in his middle 30s and worked as a professor of philosophy at a university. When was Samuel Beckett's Endgame premiered first? 1960, 1953, 1963, 1957. Correct answer option number D, 1957. Endgame is a one-act play with 4 characters written by Samuel Beckett. Originally written in French and translated into English by him. Next question. Pozzo is a character taken from which one of the following novels? Endgame, Crab's Last Day, Waiting for Godot, Happy Days. Correct answer option number C, Waiting for Godot. Pozzo is a tyrannical, cruel, and focused only on himself, and seems to possess some sort of mystical watch. Waiting for Godot, it is a play by Samuel Beckett. Next question. Which of the following is a collection of stories and prose by Samuel Beckett? Endgame, Crab's Last Day, Happy Days, Stories and Text for Nothing. Correct answer option number D, Stories and Text for Nothing. It is a collection of short stories by Beckett. It gathers 3 of Beckett's short stories and 13 short prose pieces he named Text for Nothing.